Hello mga ka-low-carb diet, this is your coach Lloyd. Once again, 45 days Biggest Loser Challenge, first edition, katuwaan lang po ito. 51 to 60 category winners, runner-up, Jenaline Digal, starting weight of 58.8 kilograms, final weight of 52.3 kilograms, weight loss of 6.5 kilograms, and average weight loss of 11.05%. Tingnan naman si ma'am. So, mexy talaga. Nakikita mo talaga yung difference sa katawan ng before and after. So, January sila nag-start, nag-end sila ng March 2. Ayan po. Ang ating third runner-up. Our second runner-up is Cyril Lauret Tainan, starting weight 60.6 kilograms, final weight 53.75 kilograms, weight loss 6.8 kilograms, average weight loss of 11.3 kilograms. Ayan po. January to March. Our second runner-up. Tingnan nyo na lang po sa video. Pwede kayo mag-post kung tingin talaga kayo ng differences sa body nila. Our champion is Hanchin C. Starting weight of 57.2 kilograms, final weight of 49.45 kilograms, weight loss of 7.8 kilograms, and average weight loss of 13.55%. Tingnan na naman. Dumi talaga yung tiyan ni ma'am. So, post nyo lang kung gusto nyo makita talaga yung differences dito sa ating video. And another category would be 61 to 70 category winners. Third runner-up in Liza Ancero, starting weight of 64.5 kilograms, final weight of 7.3, 72 weight loss, and 11.16%. Tingnan na naman si ma'am. Ayun. So, mexy talaga. Kita talaga sa katawan. And our second runner-up is Vel Servilla Silak. Oh, nako. Tingnan nyo naman ang difference. So, mexy na talaga si ma'am. Starting weight of 70.45 kilograms. Final weight of 61.65 kilograms. Weight loss of 8.8 kilograms. And average of 12.49%. Our second runner-up. And our champion would be Rachel Ann Angeles. Oy, may pa-insert pa. Yun. So, post nyo na lang po kung gusto nyo makita talaga ang differences. Starting weight of 70.7 kilograms, final weight of 61.5 kilograms, weight loss of 9.2 kilograms, and average weight loss of 13.01%. Yan ba ating champion, si Rachel Ann Angeles. And our 71 to 80 category winners, third runner-up, Viola Roga Omandal. Tingnan nyo naman si ma'am. Oh. Lumi talaga yung body niya. At saka yung bilbil niya. Starting weight of 76.05 kilograms. Final weight of 67.05 kilograms. 9 kilos weight loss and 11% of weight loss. Yun. Nako, eto si Sir. Nako. Yan. Henkel Banaria. Ayan. Starting weight of 78.35 kilograms. Final weight of 63.55 kilograms. Weight loss of 14.8 kilograms and average weight loss of 89%. Yan, si Sir. Lumit talaga si Sir. And our champion would be Lea Sorello. Nako, Concepcion. Yan, so mexy talaga siya, guys. Tingnan nyo naman ang difference niyan before and after. Starting weight of 71 kilograms. Final weight 55.05, 15.9 kilograms, and at 22.46% average weight loss. Yan. So, mexy talaga si ma'am. Kitang-kita po ang ebidensya. Ayan. And our next category, ito sila ay, ito sila? Winner takes all. 81.90 category winners. Champion, Drexel De La Rosa. Starting weight of 89.5. Galing po ito siya sa 91 above. So, nagsali sila sa category na ito at nanalo pa rin. Tingnan nyo na lang, 76.85 kilos na lang si Sir. Weight loss of 12.6 kilograms and an average of 14.02. Siya pa rin ang nanalo dito sa category. Tingnan nyo naman, pababa si Sir. Siguro last na ito. So, our champion for 91 and up, which is winner takes all, Jomar Bantudo, kulit. Oh, yan, dumi talaga siya. Tingnan nyo naman, si kulit. 96.3 kilograms, starting weight, 81.5 kilograms, 14.8 kilograms ang weight loss, 15.37% ang average. Yan, no? Tingnan nyo yung tiyaga nila. Yan. Disiplina, tiyaga lang, makakuha nyo yan. See, for 45 days challenge mo yan. Thank you once again for watching. Congratulations sa lahat. Thank you, thank you. Discipline is the key. Thank you guys. Thank you mga ka-low carb diet sa panonood. Bye-bye.